What the hell? No, no, fuck!
Everything all right, baby?
This is Freddy's.
It's Joe. Henry there.
Hey, Joe. Nah, Henry ain't here.
Shit.
But Luca's looking for you. Hold on a sec. Barbaro, where the hell are you?
I'm home. Listen, Vito just got pinched. That's why I...
Already? Shit. All right, shut your mouth and listen. You remember that thing that Vito did with the gas stamps, right? We just heard that somebody decided to squeal.
Who was it?
Some guy who works at the gas station in your neighborhood.
I'll kill the fuck.
No, you won't. You're just gonna send him a message, for now. Let him know who he's fucking with. He ends up in a wheelchair, fine. But don't kill the guy. That's heat we don't need. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
You better. Come by the bar when you're done.
Fuck! God damn it. Where the fuck are my pants?
I heard you last night with that floozy. I ought to call the cops.
You're just jealous.
In your dreams, pal.
More like my nightmares. There you are, you little prick. We need to talk. Sound good to you? Ah, shit! Get over here, you little fuck! Gonna kill this little prick. Can't just take his beating like a man. Let's try this again.
It wasn't me. I swear it was Stan. Please, please, it wasn't me. I didn't say nothing to nobody. You gotta believe me. It was Stan. He's the one who brought the stamps, I swear.
Sorry, pal. I heard that one.
I ain't lying. It was Stan who told the cops, not me, I swear. Please, please.
All right, let's pretend I believe you. Here's Stan right now.
His shift just ended. He's heading straight to the train station, catching the 5 o'clock to Brooklyn. Ain't coming back till he has to testify.
You know what's gonna happen if you're lying to me. Hey, Stan! Where you going? Shit! Stan, I just want to talk. You're starting to piss me off. You guys are fucking circus freak. Oh, this fucking running. Hey! Watch where you're going!
Hey, watch it now.
I want you to listen real careful, Stan. You'll leave town tonight, and you ain't gonna come back.
Fine. But it ain't gonna make a difference.
What the hell's that supposed to mean?
Nothing.
You got yourself 9 good fingers left. Wanna make it 8?
Somebody else. Somebody who knows about a lot more than just the OPA robbery. DA says he's gonna take down everybody. The DA's gunning for you. He's gonna take down your whole operation.
Who is this guy?
No idea. Oh! I heard the cops. The cops are keeping him safe somewhere. Guess I wasn't important enough for that.
You're not. Remember that. Now get your ass up. You got a train to catch.
This is Freddy's.
It's Joe. Let me talk to Luca.
Sure. Hold on. He's right here. It's Barbaro.
Joe, it done yet?
Yeah, but there's somebody else.
What do you mean?
The grease monkey said the DA's got somebody else. Somebody who's gonna take out the whole operation.
Fucking Mazio. I knew it.
Who the hell's that?
Richie Mazio. They picked him up last month. Guy's a retard, but he could put us all away. Fuck! All right, listen. You're gonna find out where they're keeping him. I don't care how. When you do, you make sure you don't talk to nobody ever again. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. So did you, hear from Vito?
Just worry about Mazio. We'll take care of Vito.
What's the matter with you? Somebody shitting your cornflakes this morning?
Yeah, the captain, when he put me on babysitting duty.
Take that up with the DA, pal. Star witnesses ain't too easy to come by. Besides, I could think of a lot worse than playing cards with the fellas all night.
All I'm saying is, I got better things to do than babysit some wise guy stool pigeon.
All right, come on, just spill the beans already.
You know what? Maybe you'll get lucky and a truckload of wise guys will show up, shoot the place up good.
You really know how to cheer a guy up, you know that? Hey, get away
Yeah,
from me before I
don't
shove
mention
this
it.
nightstick up your ass.
Shit, I gotta
Hey,
find
wake
some
up,
wheels. Gotta be a way in somewheres. Shit!
Here, I brought you some coffee.
Thanks. I'm freezing my balls off out here.
I told you to dress warm, didn't I?
Hey, I'm wearing the same damn thing as you. It's just that I'm standing out here, while the canaries in there are all nice and warm.
God bless the
Bingo.
criminal justice system.
Ah, damn it.
What the hell are you waiting for? Shoot this asshole! You're supposed to be protecting me, for fuck's sake!
Come on, you piece of shit, move! Alright, now back to Freddy's.
I got a Caucasian man. Hey, you want to argue with the boss, Henry? Huh? I didn't think so. You just worry about that leg of yours. All right, I'll see you. Well?
It's done.
All right, good job.
So, what's happening with Vito?
We got him the best lawyer in town. He'll be out in no time.
For your crimes against the people of this city and of this great country, this court hereby sentences you to 10 years in a federal penitentiary.
Shit! Fuck! What the hell? You said he was gonna get off.
First of all, lower your fucking voice. Second, we'll talk about it tomorrow. Not now. Go home and cool off. Then come back in the morning, you understand?
Yeah, whatever.
Dumb son of a bitch.
Who the hell is this now? Yeah.
Joe, listen to me.
Henry, you hear what happened to Vito? That little cocksucker
Joe.
said he was gonna take care of everything, and then
Joe,
he goes...
just shut
Your mouth and listen to me. Look, I'm sorry about Vito. There was nothing I can do. But you gotta listen. You just made Lucas' hit list.
What's that supposed to mean? It means they're gonna kill you.
That's how it happens, Joe. You must have pissed them off good. You probably got about 5 minutes before the guys show up.
Yeah? Let them come. What the hell do I care?
Oh, what are you gonna do, tough guy? Kill him? And then what do you think's gonna happen tomorrow? Look, you got two choices. You can either skip town, or you can stay and die.
And hey, Joe, what you did for me at the distillery, we're even now.
You got some balls coming back here. Hey! Look at this guy. Jeez, you ain't changed a bit. What the hell are you wearing?
What, you mean my disguise?
Yeah, it's about as subtle as a kick in the nuts.
All right. So how's my place?
Like I told you on the phone, it's just like you left it. Here's the keys.
Nice. And how about that job we talked about?
Don't worry, I got more than enough work for both of us these days. You want a lift?
Nah, thanks. Think I'll grab my own.
Okay, listen, Joey. This'll go a lot smoother if we do it nice and quiet. Great. Looks like we're doing it the hard way. That looks like the last one. Okay, I'm gonna go start up the train. You get the main gate open and get rid of the blocks under the train wheels. Hey, Joe, see that big fucking gate over there? Open it up already. Nice going, Joe. Tell you what, after we unload this shit, let's hit the town. I want to introduce you to a friend of mine.
So now Vito's in the big house, and I gotta look over my shoulder every 2 seconds.
Yeah, I heard about that. But hey, Tony vouched for you, and you done good tonight, so I'll tell you what. You keep up the good work, you keep your nose clean, and I'll talk to the fellas. See what we can do about getting you a pass.
Pass? What do you mean?
A pass. Means you won't have to worry about the Clementi guys anymore. What do you say? All right, let's drink to it.
Shit, watch. Hey, douchebag! I'm over here! Hey, you ain't too rusty.
Jesus!
One more down. Come here, you little bastard. Where's the key to the safe? Better start talking while you still can. Shit, Joe, keep him busy. Almost done. home. What, do you enjoy being a punching bag? Hey, it's your funeral. That means we gotta go.
Use extreme caution. Use of automatic weapons is authorized. Officer down! Officer down! Shoot this asshole! Copy that.
Son of a bitch.
Tell Rocco to come see me if he talks. It ain't like I'm squeamish or nothing. I just don't want to ruin another good suit. You're not buying this, are you? Hey, look who's here.
Oh, fuck! Fuck! God damn it! How many times I gotta tell you? How many times? You buy the good pliers, not this cheap piece of shit! Who's this?
This is Joe, the guy I was telling you about.
Yeah, right. How you doing, Joe? My guys, Eddie and Balls, they told me you'd done some good work for us. Listen, I got some more jobs for you now. You pull these off, I'll have a discussion with that cocksucker Garino for you. Sound good to you?
Yeah, sure.
All right, excuse us now, will you? Me and the shithead got work to do.
All right, see you fellas later.
Come on, let's go. You're digging the damn hole.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, fellas.
So how'd it go?
It wasn't no picnic, I'll tell you that. I got fucking ambushed.
All right. We'll talk about it later. Excuse me for a minute, would you fellas?
Joe, why don't you go get us another round?
You got it.
Finish them all.
I'm gonna blow your fucking head off! Know it!
I'll take care of it. I want them dead, Joe. All of them. Come on, Joe, let's go. We gotta take these guys out. All right, let's split up. You want the stage or the door? See you soon. Try not to get killed. Come on, Joe. We're going after him. All right, get in there and take care of him.
You ain't even gonna help?
Somebody's got to stay here in case more of them show up. Look, you take care of this, and I'll take care of you. You have my word. Now get moving.
Kill this fat fuck!
Whoa! Covering you! Come on, shoot this man! Hey, need lead, asshole!
Christ!
Big mistake, asshole. If you had any idea what fucking Carlo's gonna do,